in 9th grade. I'm in student council and I'm also a Balto candidate.
My name's Sajin Poos. I'm a senior, and then I'm in student council this year for Balto.
I'm Kate, and I'm in 9th grade.
$200. National Honor Society raised $500. And New York Band raised $250.
I was scared of dentists in the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in a dream.
What does Balto mean to you?
To me, Balto means obviously bringing light to others, but so much more beyond that. It means just putting others first and putting others in your community first. It really means just bringing a light to everyone. It doesn't really matter like where they come from, who they are. We just need to help everyone.
So to me, Balto is just a way to share the love and bring a light to others, just using charity and hard work, and it's really awesome.
Be nice to other people and really just like help others around you to have like a better week, because that's what it's all about.
My experience with Balto, it's so much more than I thought it would be. It's so much more exciting, so much more, just so much more is how I can put it.
Since it's my first year, it's actually been pretty fun. I really like it. And I'm really excited for next year.
Lexi Anderson, Aiden Black, and Warren Heathcock raising $3,062. Alina Ali, Aubrey Kramer, Paige Diamond, and Isha Zibman raising $2,372. Desiree Acevedo and Rebecca Castaneda with $1,051. Caroline Best, Destiny Mastro, Avery Vincent, and Ellie Vincent with $1,272.
How do you think the closing assembly will go?
The closing assembly, I'm actually chair for the closing assembly. So it'll be fun. I think it'll go great if we just keep up the organization. And I think that we are gonna raise a lot of money, so I'm really excited.
Well, I'm planning the closing assembly, so hopefully everything goes well. But I think it'll be really great, and I think there's gonna be a lot of tears because it's just such a happy time with the care center. So I hope it'll go well.
$786,000.